Good morning and welcome to Darlene Workshop. How are you? Nice to see you. I'm fine, thank you. I'm shout out for all have birthdays this month of June 28th, Friday. You have safe birthdays and much more coming to your birthdays. Happy birthday! And today is I'm going to make something for my daughter's birthday also next month. I'm going to make a tiara or a hair clips. Okay. Now I did two things to make this form. All right. This one here is not perfect. It's kind of crooked over here. And I use this to bend in the middle. And this is what happened. For the pen. Now, I said, I'll try this form. Forgot the name of this form. But it's a ring thing. And all I do is put in here. I go look what kind of size, and this is size round thing is 7, and this is 7. It's good enough. So this is 20 gauge hard. Okay, they say 18 gauge, but I tried the 20 gauge hard. So what I do, I just make always straighten up. It's 20 gauge, but it's hard. So I use this one. So I took about 7 inches long, and I used the memory wire to cut this, because see how the sound is really hard, and check the ends, see if it's okay. Because this one here is gonna stick in a head. Oh, almost did that again. I'm just trying to clear this up. Okay, it's smooth. And if I want more better smooth, I have these tools to smooth the ends. I thought I have the putty cat. It's not in here, so I think I dropped it somewhere. Yes, I did. This one is to insert that, and just to smooth the ends of this. So it'll like that, say smoother. And just stick it up right here or insert and run that machine. And this is neat for doing the edging of the of the wire. Okay, see how smooth it is, and you always touch it, and it's kind of rough in there. It's rough to touch, so all you're gonna do is just do it like this and run your finger again. It's smooth. Do the same thing on the other side. Okie dokie. So what I do to get the middle, let's say 7 is 3.5, right? Some of them say you are going to mark it 3.5. So it's up to you if you wanna. Sometimes this ink goes to your hands. That's why I don't use the marker. So there's the mark over here. There you go. There's the mark right there. So I put in a 7 line over there, and what I do is hold that. Okay, so you're not sure if it's gonna be in the middle. Okay, so what I do, this is the way I do. I bend in the middle and reach, meet the end of that. See, you got those. Get in the middle. So you don't have to use this or the marker. Okay, just your common sense. Okay. Well, sometimes I don't have a common sense, but I try to have one. LOL. So this is the marker. When you use the marker for this, it's gonna be in like this. Okay, it's just any individual how you use it. So this is the wire that I just bended like that. Okay, and this one goes to the head. Okay, and all you're gonna do is form if you're gonna put some beads or make a tiara. Okay, so I like this one here. Okay, and this one is okay too, but yeah, to see if you do that like this and you bounce back, so you just gonna squeeze over here and play with it. See, it'll go what you want. Just play with it. See, there you go. So we got 2 and 3. I do this for practice. All right, so I'll be back the next step. Hello, I'm back. So what I'm going to do is make a dent to make a hairpin. Okay, just use your imagination, and I use this tool. What I do, I maybe this far to make a dent. I just dent this and just push it like that. Okay, you got a dent. It depends on how much dent you want. You dent it deeper. It's gonna be look like this. Okay, so you just go that and make sure it's the same length. Okay, like that, just to hold it like this. Remember, gonna be too perfect. Just push it down like that. It's kind of hard. See, you got your first dent over here. So obviously you want a deeper dent. You just push it harder. Okay, push it harder. So it can be look like this. Okay, it look like a kind of a, what you call that, a hairpin. Okay, So sometimes when you squeeze, then bend it, it will minus the length of the wire. See, just like this. Remember, it's even, but now when we dent, we minus the length. So it's going to be like that. But taking care of that, cut it later after you are done for what you want. Okay, so there it goes. There's the dent. Oh, it look like a head. So if you want a dent like this, guys, up to you. You can always stretch it bigger or smaller. Okay, you're gonna do another dent right here. Like that. See. You go over here and you do like that. Sometimes the dent is not perfect, but you always can trust and do that. So if you think this is getting bigger, okay, or longer, try to dent that more to reach the other side to get even, okay? See, it's getting smaller. Go. Maybe a little bit more denting here. And here. Just a matter of denting. Just getting there. And now the fun part is you can hammer that if you want to get a texturizer. Okay, I'm back. We are going to use the flat one. I got a different kind of stuff in here that I can use. Okay, we use the small one. We're gonna use the flat one right here. So what I do when you hit that, don't hit too much, okay? You hit it this way, just like you're forming, see? Okay, not hit it like that. It's one texture and it's not really a good way to do it. Okay, all right, see? Gonna hold it like this and texture it. You're just forming. Okay, see, you're forming. And then you go over here, do the same thing in here. Okay. See, it's a little bit shiny. See how the different from not hammer, just like this, but if you put it texturized, it's gonna be like this. See the difference? Not texture, and the texture is like this. I'm sorry if I always use my middle finger. I don't mean to give you a bird. Just the way I am, I always use the middle finger for anything. I don't know why, so I'm not flicking you, okay? Like that. You forming, when you hammer, you forming, it will be look like this. See? Now you practice first time, and then you will get better when you keep doing it, okay? So, like that. So if you think this is too, it look like a form of a body oil, but this is just a practice for you to do. We'll get it better. Okay, just showing you, and then I'm going to put some kind of beads in there, and you gotta use the 26 or 28 wrapper gauge to wrap the beads in there. Okay, I'll be back. Hey, I'm back, and welcome back again to Darling Workshop. And it's 1 p.m. now. See, I'm making then a tiara. Yes, a hairpin tiara. This is just the continue what I've been doing. Okay. And I'm about to put the beads in there. It's bean beads. Okay, what I do, see here, I insert the beads, the bean beads, and then I have to lift it up a little bit to make it higher like this. See? To make it higher. And I hold that beads with my finger, and then I have to make a length like that. Oops. See, this one I'm holding with my finger, and I'm going to make a twist. Don't hold it over like that, but hold it between the little hole there, and hold it like this, become like that. Okay, just hold it, you don't squeeze it, because you are going to turn to twist that. Okay, don't squeeze it, you're gonna break the beads. See, so it's gonna be look like this. And then you put a little bit in there, and you tie it up around that hairpin. and just tight it up as much you can. Okay, come like that. Then after you do that, you're gonna put the supposed to be short and long and short and long. Okay, short and long and short and long. Try not to kinky that, and you put the big red again. No, not the big red, but it's the bottom beads. Put this. There you go. And then you hold it with your finger and loop it, wrap it twice and move it a little bit farther. This is just like my practice, okay? Because this is the first time I make Tiara, whatever they pronounce. See this dent over here? This is the stop there when I reach the dent there. First dent. And then I'm going to put another beads, little teeny tiny bead beans or bean beads, whatever they call it. Whoa, try to escape from me, huh? That's the one thing about this little tiny. So I got that beads in there. And I wrap it like that. One more wrap. Maybe like that. So like there's too many on over here. It's okay. Gonna fill that up too. And tie it up. Tie it up more. And let's go. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.